Friends, students, parents, on behalf of StudyGateIndia.com, I wish you all a good luck. In this session, we are interested to give the complete details about National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test 2. You were already in the form of All India Pre-Medical Test. On May 1, 2016, students have appeared for this examination that was considered as NEET 1. Now, the students who did not appear for this test, NEET 1, or those who have applied and they didn't write, those who did not apply at all, and those who have written the examination but they are sure that they didn't do it well, they didn't prepare well, they can apply for this particular examination. This examination is going to be conducted on the directive of Honorable Supreme Court of India, and this is suitable for all the institutions in India for MBBS and BDS course, approved by Medical Council of India under Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. That is, the examination is going to be conducted for 15% seat for all India quota in the states, and the respective state governments who opted for it, and also for all the private institutions, the management seats, NRI seats, and also for private deemed universities. But you should be aware that this particular year, the state government of Tamil Nadu has permitted, after getting the proper permission, that the medical seats, MBBS and BDS seats, and self-finance colleges approved by Dr. Tamil Nadu MGR Medical University, the seats will be allotted only based on cut-off marks as earlier, and they have to write the NEET exam only for the All India based quota, that is 15% quota. So for this particular selection based on marks for Tamil Nadu candidates, they will see the mark of physics, chemistry, biology as the cut-off mark. For biology, 200 marks will be divided by 2, that is taken as a mark. And for physics, chemistry put together, 200 plus 200 divided by 400, 200, that is taken as the cut-off for this particular year. And for the next year onwards, NEET exam will be conducted as per the directive of Honorable Supreme Court of India. And who can write these examinations? As I told you, all the people who missed NEET 1, who didn't write well. But once they apply for NEET 2, they have to forego the candidature of NEET 1 as given in the circular. They have to apply in online. That is, they have to go to the website of www.aipmt.nic.in, and they can make the payment either by debit card or credit card in the online gateway of CBSE. Central Board of Secondary Education is the conducting body for this particular examination. They can also pay it through the Chellan, e-Chellan, through Syndicate Bank, State Bank of India, ICICI and HDFC. Net banking is also permitted, and they can also pay it through e-wallet of Common Service Center. The list of Common Service Center to help the students of rural area and those who are not aware of all these online procedures is provided in the website list, CBS, that is All India Pre-Medical Test website list. And who are eligible, that is 12th, those who are past 12th or equivalent, CBSE or State Board, ISC like that, those who have taken physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology. Biology includes botany and zoology and English. For the general candidates, they should have taken 15% aggregate as a minimum qualifying mark. If it is SC, ST and OBC, they should obtain 40% as a minimum eligibility mark. Regarding the physically challenged person, disabled students, in that category, the general student should take 45 marks as a minimum qualifying mark. If the same disabled student belongs to SC, ST and OBC, they should have obtained 40%. In this particular examination, right from the inception, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jammu and Kashmir states are not permitted to write for the 15%, but they can write to apply for the private institutions and deemed universities. They can also opt for Armed Force Medical course in Pune. They should apply separately for this AFMC examinations. And regarding the dates concerned, the examination will be conducted on 24th July, 24/6/2016. On the date the examination will be conducted. To apply online, that is through e-Challan, the last date will be 21/6/2016. For the other modes, it is 25/6/2016. And regarding the transaction completion, the last date is for both cases 25/6/2016. Regarding the payment, examination fees is concerned, for the general OBC candidate, it is rupees 1,400. For SC/ST candidates and physically challenged candidate, it rupees 2,000. It is rupees 750. I repeat, 1,400 for general and OBC candidates. For this reservation category like SC/ST and what you call physically challenged, 750 rupees. So they should apply on or before 21/6/2016 as we have stated earlier. And the date of the examination will be 24/6/2016. Regarding the examination pattern, 180 multiple choice questions will be given. And the CBSE syllabus will be followed: 11th standard physics, 11th standard chemistry, 12th standard physics, 12th standard chemistry. Besides, biology of both 11th standard and 12th standard. CBSE will conduct this particular examination. For every question, 4 options will be given, 1 correct answers. And the syllabus can be referred in detail from the respective websites. It is a 3 hours examination, and on 24/6/2016 it begins by 10 a.m. and ends by 1 p.m. The syllabus is available in detail in the website. And regarding the details, other informations can be get from the Common Service Center. The list of the Common Service Center can be verified in the website, that is All India Pre-Medical Test website. And you can also note this address: Deputy Secretary Examination, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test CBSE, Shiksha Kendra, 2 Community Center, Preet Vigar, Delhi 110092. Other communication details, the website is concerned www.aipmt.nic.in. Email aipmtcbse@nic.in. That is through telephone 011-225-09256 and 2201-9683, 225-21081. So these are all the entire details regarding what you call this National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test 2 which is going to be conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education. Rest. The StudyGateIndia.com has got a great facility to help the student for all the details. Whatever clarification, counseling and other procedures you need, you can really contact StudyGateIndia.com and you can refer our website also. Besides, as a great opportunity to all these students who are not yet started preparing for this NEET examination, you can very well approach StudyGateIndia.com for your coaching and training for the NEET examination. You can very well contact info@StudyGate India through email, info@StudyGate India email, or else you can contact our line number 044-3296-3132. Wish you all a good luck. Thank you.